12 most profitable business ideas for 2019. Are you looking to invest in a business or startup? Maybe you're looking to create your own business. We've done the research and compiled some ideas that are on the way up in 2019. In an evolving market, you gotta be ahead of the curve to be successful. We're gonna go through a list of 12 of the most innovative and profitable business ideas in 2019. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep your business mind sharp with new and exciting content. We've done our homework, and we're pretty excited to show you some cool and quirky business ideas that are sure to turn a profit this year. Number 1. Personal health apps. In 2019, smartphone apps for healthcare are giving people the power to take control of their health without the need for a trip to the doctor. As well as saving money and democratizing healthcare, these apps are lifting the burden on overstretched healthcare facilities. Doing everything from helping us manage existing conditions and preventing new ones to enabling remote face-to-face consultations, the mobile medical apps market is predicted to be worth $11.2 billion by 2025. Number 2. Digital detox. Let's face it, we're all addicted to our smartphones, and it's not good for us. Fortunately, the first step to beating addiction is to admit it, and all of a sudden consumers are very keen to disconnect. Big corporations such as Apple and Google are getting in on the action with dashboards that help users monitor and manage their screen time, while other companies are creating getaways to help people cut down. We predict 2019 will be the year of the digital detox, and there are plenty of opportunities for new startups to help people reduce the use of their digital devices. Number 3. Plant-based foods. Like it or not, 2019 is going to see veganism and other plant-based diets truly go mainstream. At the top of many news agendas and with Mintel claiming evergreen consumption as one of its key food trends, the Western world is obsessed with everything plant-based. And with plant-based protein, a growing market, and a new shift towards masculine plant power, there's plenty of opportunities for new businesses to capitalize on some less exploited areas of the trend. Number 4. Kintsugi. We know that lifestyle trends are a great place to look for business inspiration, and 2019 has seen a resurgence in the interest of the art of kintsugi. Kintsugi is a Japanese art form in which breaks and repairs are treated as part of the object's history. Broken ceramics are carefully mended by artisans with a lacquer resin mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. The repairs are visible, yet somehow beautiful. Upcycling and the circular economy is becoming increasingly important, and the kintsugi philosophy plays right into that. In a social media-driven world in which people filter out their imperfections and present their lives like highlight reels, the idea that flaws should also be appreciated is a compelling one. Number 5. Online coaching and consultancy. Recent years have seen consumers fall in love with online on-demand services. Taking this to the next level, in 2019, consumers will turn to the internet for traditionally face-to-face services they previously wouldn't have considered accessing online. Utilizing video links and live chats, everything from doctor's appointments to divorce proceedings to sports coaching is becoming available from remote experts. There's ample opportunity for entrepreneurs here, whether providing a freelance expertise or reworking an old-fashioned process online. And with contract and consultancy rates charged by the hour, there's potential for huge profits. Number 6. Resource sharing. It's 10 years since Airbnb was founded, but the global sharing economy has continued to grow and evolve, giving consumers the opportunity to share nearly anything imaginable. Now, encouraged by an increasing trend for minimalism, people are using the sharing economy to borrow things they would previously have bought. This growing trend for living with less is creating new opportunities of borrowers and sharers that businesses can capitalize on. Expect this trend to continue upwards, so an innovative investment in a new concept can be quite lucrative. Number 7. Plastic alternatives. In 2019, we are eco-conscious. Plastic's impact on the environment is well known and well publicized. Although slow, we've started making the conscious effort to remove plastics from our packaging and shopping bags. So whether it's developing recyclable alternatives to plastic products, like Uhu's edible water bottle, or a more tech-savvy, app-based approach to help people reduce their plastic waste, 2019 might be the year to rethink plastic. You can be doing your bit to save the environment while lining your pockets at the same time. Niche pet services. By 2019, the market is expected to hit $92 billion, and a variety of recent startups have proven that with a little innovation and niche targeting, you can do very well. Here's some examples of niche pet companies already in operation this year. There's the company teaching customers how to train their parrots, a group that toilet train cats, a lady that teaches dog agility, and a company that does custom haircuts, dyes, and styling for cats and dogs. What's your pet niche? Digitize it and sell it online. Number 9. Social media management. There are so many public figures and professionals that have no social media presence, ability, or know-how to effectively communicate to fans, clients, customers, or networks. People are willing to pay big amounts of money to people who can effectively manage their social media profiles in order to stay relevant in a world they may not have the time for. Look to invest or start up in cross-platform social media experts with proven track records and engaging a quality online audience. Number 10. Senior Citizen Care Services. We are an aging population, and it's only going to become exponentially more apparent over the next 10 to 20 years. From driving and delivery services, catering, cleaning, pet care, landscaping, and home care to unlimited franchise opportunities, the market is ripe. Be different. Like, consider a mobile beauty salon that travels to senior customers. Beauticians on the Go is one such company exploiting this. What other on-the-go services could serve elder care? Start there. Number 11. Gluten-free. This has been a thing for a while, but developing new gluten-free products is still a thriving market. Gluten-free product sales are growing 34% year over year, and total sales will breach $2.34 billion in the US alone by 2019. Of course, there's the built-in customer base of those who actually suffer from celiac disease, but loads of people are hopping on the bandwagon too. Pizza Hut even recently debuted its first gluten-free pizza. Bakeries do well, but there's an opportunity for specialized eateries that serve the hard-to-come-by gluten-free fresh foods like soup, salad, and so on. And as with most businesses on my list, there's potential revenue opportunities with selling your expertise. Gluten-free has a nebulous meaning to most people. Online courses in gluten-free dieting, food preparation, and certifications are hot too. Number 12. Corporate wellness. Companies have finally realized that investing in employee health, particularly mental health, saves millions in lost productivity and missed workdays in the long run. In fact, 2015 was a banner year for the industry, and now more than 70% of employers offer some wellness programs, up from 58% in 2008. Now, companies are hiring outside firms to provide massage, yoga, healthy food, exercise coaching, meditation, and more. And businesses are hiring outside firms to manage these programs too. Companies are spending an average of $900 per year per employee on wellness programs. If you can land a corporate client with just 1,000 employees, you're already setting pretty well. That was it for our 12 most profitable startup business ideas for 2019. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments if you have any innovative or profitable business ideas. Let us know. We read the comments and we will pin the best responses. Make sure you're subscribed and click that notification bell so you can keep up to date with our regularly uploaded content. Bye for now.